Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw breaker trips debugging for level 2 chargers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your safety gear is on. Disconnect the charger from the power source. Locate the circuit breaker panel associated with the level 2 charger. Open the panel door to access the circuit breakers. Identify the specific breaker for the level 2 charger. Check if the breaker is in the tripped position. Reset the breaker by flipping it fully to the off position. Then, switch it back to the on position. Observe if the breaker stays in the on position. If it trips again, there may be an underlying issue. Investigate the charger and the associated wiring for visible damage. Look for signs of wear or exposure on the electrical connections. Inspect the charger for any error lights or messages. Ensure the vehicle's charging port is clean and functioning. Inspect the extension cord, if used, for any signs of damage. Test the outlet to ensure proper power supply. Consider using a multimeter to verify voltage at the outlet. If issues persist, consult the charger's manual for troubleshooting tips. Document any patterns of trips to share with a technician. Contact a certified electrician for further diagnosis if needed. Always prioritize safety during the entire process. Make sure to follow local electrical codes and regulations. Keep a record of all findings for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.